Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and I've been going over a series of videos where I create a website for a mythical gym as part of the Rankin Technical College Application and Website Development, or AWD1000 Web Development Technologies course. And I noticed when I did this, I had these problems. So I went back and looked at my code and found out the problem was me. So in other words, what I want to do here is this bracket, and since I copied it down, I got the error all over the place. Alright, so let me oops. So that one is fixed. 2 are fixed, 3, 4. Hopefully that fixed everything. So Files, Save All, right mouse click, Open with Live Server, and there they are. Okay, so that was on me. Sorry about that. Let's just continue on then. So I left off last time on the background image. So now I'm going to go to my join area, and that join area is what we actually see right here, this thing. Okay, so let's work on that. And for the background color here, we've got pound B0, E0, E6, which is kind of a powder blue. All right. As always, I've made a few changes, so you can see how that's coming into play here. All right. A couple more things I want to change on here, but it's definitely getting there, I believe. All right. So that was our join. As far as our paragraph text for the join, make that a little bigger. And now let's take a look at the actual join form that's on there. The form is where we've got the text box followed by the button. And then finally on there, we also have the two components. So our email, which we gave it an ID of email to. Let's make it look a little rounded. No padding. Alright, so that'll handle the email. And the next thing to work on here is the submit button. Let's give that the same height as we gave the text box. And let's also make that look a little rounded. Background is border radius. Alright, so let's see where we are right now. File, save all. Okay, well that looks pretty good. I mean, this could be moved down. You know all this stuff already. And we may end up handling that. But this is not looking too shabby right now. Alright. Actually should have a little right here. I should not have any margin. Or I should take some of the margin here area and put it down here. So let's see. So tell you what, for now I'm going to leave that. It may work itself out as we get going. So let's just see. Next is the testimonial area, which I call Testimonials Index. Probably not the best name in the world. We're going to again have that light blue color for the background. And our text color will again be, and I'm repeating that probably more often than I need to because I did set the text color under the body, but just to be sure. And again, as always, I kind of like to, as I'm going through this stuff here, kind of like to save every once in a while and run it so you can see how it's hopefully at least coming together. Okay, so we've got that now. Again, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad. This I don't like. And I remember earlier that I came up and somewhere in here I said I had a line break and I didn't know why. Can't find it right now, but there. I don't know if I need that or not. Let's go back and double check this. Don't see anything that did. All right. Here. All right, let's just continue on then. So next we've got, again, our testimonial index. And this will be for our paragraph. And remember that these things are inside of a class called box. Each one of these testimonials are in a class called box. Okay. and each is designed to take up 1/3, which is where I got the 33.33% from. And as far as the box image, which are the pictures of the 3 individuals, I'm going to make them rounded by giving them border radius of 50%, and also a border none. Why I need that? In fact, I'm going to just leave that off of there. I've got margin 0 auto here, and I don't know why I would want to center those, but let's see what it looks like. How's that? Well, that's good. These are just stock images I grabbed out of Google Images, and we're going to have to move this over, but we're working our way down. Alright, so that's the H1 tag. And for the paragraph and for the H2 tag, make the font size about 24 point. Alright, file, save all, go back again here, and let's run it one more time. And that's not looking too bad. The only thing left for this page, to my knowledge, is our footer. So let's do that. It was given an ID of main footer. Notice the font size is 0.5 rem because typically the size of a footer is smaller. I'd like it to be centered. And the background color should be that kind of grayish. and I'd like it bolded. Smaller, so at least I'll be able to see it okay. Again, File, Save All. Let's go back here and run it one more time, and hopefully we're done with the home page. Alright. Alright. Again, is it fantastic? By no means. Is it better than it was? Guess draw your own conclusion. It still is kind of junky when we make it bigger or smaller. Alright. But we're going to work on that after we go in and fix up this About page, which right now is not looking too nice, but we'll work on that in just a couple minutes.